Alright, I hope this is recording. This is our Meowsic keyboard, and boy did I have fun playing with it, testing it. Takes 4 of your AA batteries. We turn it on right here, and let's see, make sure we're in the piano mode. And we have bells. I can almost get it. And organ. Hallelujah. And of course we got banjo. Oh well, that's as close as I'm going to get to Deliverance. And of course the little fun little
meow, 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 meow.
And you can add volume and tempo, but you also have some backup. Here we go. Switch it back to piano. Here we go. Nope, try this. Y'all recognize that tune. So it's fun. I had fun playing with it. Your kid will too. We got blues backup, samba, techno, disco, and apparently you can record, but I don't know how to do that. You'll have enough fun with the other stuff. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Enjoy it.